Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Style Student. Friends, today we are going to discuss about ninth class biology second lesson plant tissue. Plant tissue. Friends, before going to this video, for further interesting videos, please subscribe our channel. Okay friends, and press the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss about plant cell. Plant tissue, not cell, plant tissue. You already know what is meant by plant. Okay, you don't know tissue, I think so, somebody is know. But what is meant by tissue means a group of cells is called tissue. A group of cells is called tissue. Group of cells is called tissue. Here see, just imagine like a cell. Okay, these are group of cells. Group of cells is called tissue. Group of cells is called tissue. Okay, next one, observe the unicellular organism. Friends, look at this picture and observe the unicellular organisms like paramecia. Okay friends, observe the unicellular organisms like paramecia. Look at this picture and observe that. And unicellular organisms only one cell throughout the year. Friends, observe the paramecia. Paramecia have only one cell. The unicellular organisms only one cell throughout the year. They with one cell. With one cell. One cell throughout the year. Throughout the year. Throughout the year. Throughout the life. Okay friends, unicellular organism only one cell. With one cell they will throughout the year. With the unicellular organism only one cell throughout the year means with they die also. For their life also unicellular organisms carried completely life cycle in only one cell. Unicellular organisms they carried completely life cycle in one cell. వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ సైకిల్ మొత్తం వన్ సెల్, ఓన్లీ వన్ సెల్తో వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ సైకిల్ మొత్తాన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఐ థింక్ సో యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ అబౌట్ యూనిసెల్యులర్. నౌ వి డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ యూనిసెల్యులర్. నెక్స్ట్ we want to discuss about multicellular organisms. Let's go to discuss about multicellular.